Punching a cop in the face is never the answer to your problems.
You're going in cuffs in 3 seconds, I promise you.
Put me in cuffs. That's my bag.
You gotta give him space, okay? Give him space.
Because he does this every single time. It's crazy. I'm crazy. Where am I gonna go?
9-9. It's
Are you just here?
calm right now.
Okay. We're taking care of it. We need you to stay away from here.
Lying.
What was going on in the first place? What's happening?
So dumb. How do you offer to pay for somebody to buy somebody something and then buy it for them and then get mad at them out of nowhere and then take it back and want to return it? If you don't want to buy it first, you never should have bought it. You should have bought 2 pairs. Then I put 1 pair back. But then when he got mad because you're too fucking long to get those pairs, then I take these saying he doesn't see the narcissist.
I know you're upset.
You order an ill-fitting suit to go on. You mad because your suit don't fit?
Ever come back here.
I don't care about this ass wall.
Back up.
Go ahead. Okay, you're gonna go.
You're aware of the water.
You're not gonna act tough. You want to go in handcuffs? Yes. You're not gonna act tough, okay? So unless you want to go in handcuffs, stop it. You're gonna exit the mall now. Do you understand?
Officer Eyebrows, calm the down, okay? I'm calm. He didn't do anything. It was my fault because he was pissed off because I just wanted this cross, like he popping for me, and he's mad at me for no reason over a little argument. Like I just want him to feel me, like, come on, please. Like I'm not mad at him, man. I'm not mad. I'm fine. You wanna? Hey, you ever watch Steve the Bird? He looks like Balloony. You ever see that? That's just really funny. He looks just like Balloony. Like that's crazy. So he's really gonna return him? Did he leave?
You're not going back in the mall.
I'm not going back in this mall. What am I gonna go back in the mall for? Oh. Well, I can't leave without him.
You can leave without him. You're a grown adult.
No, I'm not. I'm not. You guys, you can tase me, you can shoot me, whatever.
It's not nothing like
I don't care.
that. You need to figure out.
I don't care.
You need to figure out.
Well, I'm not leaving this mall without him.
Well, you're not leaving with us.
Joey! Oh, now you know me.
Come on. Come on.
So
Come on.
You're gonna leave the mall, okay?
watch out, bro.
You are going to leave the mall.
Out,
you're gonna leave the
watch
mall,
out.
or you're gonna go to jail. Do you want to pick?
I don't give a
You want to?
Neither one of y'all, Joey!
You're gonna leave the mall, or you're going in cuffs in 3 seconds. I promise you.
Put me in the cuffs.
I will put you in the
Put me in
cuffs.
cuffs.
Okay.
Right now.
Are you serious right now? Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Serious?
Don't
move. You hear me? Don't move.
I don't give a I don't care. All right, thanks, bro. Thanks, Mom. I didn't know.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving, bro. If you're gonna shoot me, just shoot me then. Yeah. You got my glasses for me? Yeah. Can you grab my glasses for me? Your jaw okay? Thank you.
Yeah, your jaw's fine.
You're not okay now? You just I'll be all
Hey, now you
right.
caught a felony. Good job.
All right. How long do you think I'm gonna be in jail for, huh? A couple months?
How did you do that?
I'm under video.
Yep, cars meet at Dillard's North as we were escorting this female out.
Thank you. Recall from Sylvia 1230 now. 3 to 99.
Go ahead.
Stop.
This male party involved that the deputies walked out.
He was involved in a verbal dispute with this female. I was escorting the female out. Deputies were with the male.
Okay. I'll be with the male then.
No, he's too busy dealing with you.
How about you guys are handcuffing me? It only takes one of y'all.
I'll be
Come
with
on
the
out.
male then. He's about to leave. Do we need anything from him?
Yeah, we'll keep him around for a minute.
Hi.
Okay, I'm up
What's up?
south then.
Well,
The male.
she decided to punch me in the face, so.
Okay.
1283 radio. I'm out. North Dillard's.
You like your dog? All right, we'll use.
Don't look at me.
We'll use
Oh,
this
I can't
car
look at
for-
you now.
All right, I'm gonna need you to relax.
Relax.
Okay.
They handcuffed my bag to me.
Okay, I see that. I'm gonna put her in your car since she's here.
Radio. I'll be up yourself.
Cut it or you want to have She's wild. She's pretty.
Don't cut my bag. No.
mean,
Okay,
she
then
just-
we need you to stand still then, okay?
I'm not gonna go anywhere.
All right.
You guys got her arms?
Yep.
Radio 1292.
I came down. She started getting lippy, so we were escorting her out of the mall. And then she decided to turn around and just cold cock me in the face, so.
Looks like right near Fairmount. Local lanes on the left. 1273. You have deputies.
We're almost done. Just relax, okay?
To the Forerunner.
All right.
You guys read me my
We're gonna,
rights.
we're gonna have you sit down in this car over here, okay?
Okay, they have this. We'll have to send somebody over to it.
Come on out.
All right, have a seat.
Where'd she hit you?
Right there.
You just.
We'll take a photo of you.
Is your camera up in the front seat?
Yeah, it should be on the floorboard.
Hey, hang on.
I just need to know what happened up in the mall with the male and the female.
So I was.
She's under arrest for assaulting you.
Yeah, so I was up, or I was walking towards Dillard to pick this up from Jake. And I heard the commotion coming from down in the center court. Looked over the railing, all three other off-duties working were already with the situation. It just looked like a verbal argument, maybe a little scuffle between her and the guy. I couldn't tell because I was kind of looking over the railing. So I wanted to go down just to make sure they were okay, so I could call it in, everything. They were escorting the guy out, so at that point I assumed it was verbal. I didn't really get the story at all because I kind of got there late. So as they were doing that, she started getting all lippy with mall security and everything. She was being loud, so you're going to leave the mall too. So we're walking her out. She keeps stopping, turning around. I'm like, you're going to turn around or you're going to go in handcuffs. You know, you have to leave the mall right now. So she starts walking, then she just swings around and just clocks me right in the chin.
Okay. All right. So obviously she's under arrest for that.
Yeah.
But I need to know because we got him.
Yeah, I don't know what it's all these deputies and stuff were with that situation.
Okay.
I'm standing right next to her, so he's male and female. They were arguing over some bag with shoes in it. We finally got them separated, got him calmed down. He go back really hurt. She admitted that she started the argument.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
And then,
Hey Ben, I'm trying to determine if he's needed.
can you just drop her at the jail?
Yeah, we'll probably just put her in a holding cell in the meantime. And then, I mean, we'll see how cooperative she is. And then if we got to throw her in a holding cell, we will.
Can you go to back up? Ben?
She's in my car. I'm going to take her to the jail.
She needs.
What do you want me to do?
Somebody's got to go back up Ben Bow because somebody's got to go take a traffic crash on the highway.
Yes. I'll go with Bow, and then I'll be at the jail. Just get her info and get her set, and I'll be back there shortly. All right, I'll go to.
Search the female.
So anyway, we're trying to escort her out. She keeps trying to turn around and walk the other way. So we're telling her, like, you need to leave. So he makes a decision. She says, go ahead and arrest me, whatever. She didn't want to. She's refusing to leave. So he makes a decision to tell her to turn around.
Oh yeah,
She turns around and clocks him right.
that was a great punch.
The male.
The female.
I want to know: is there a domestic violence dispute between the male and the female?
No.
Okay.
They're not. They do
So
not.
we have him held upstairs. We need to know: can we release that now?
Go back to the jail.
All right, so she assaulted him up there. So I just need to know if he needs anything, if they're boyfriend, girlfriend, if they're domestic partners or anything.
Boyfriend, girlfriend, they do not live together.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. Sounds like we got everything we need then.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, I'll head back.
Yeah, I mean, you're on duty now. You're on overtime now.
Congratulations.
I have, how many minutes do I have left?
Thanks, Sarge.
Thank you.
Might be like 5 minutes. Unbelievable.
This suspect, Lola, was charged with simple assault on a police officer. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.